Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about data visualization by plotting 3D scatter plots. Data visualization is an important pillar of machine learning. It helps us to formulate the right strategies to understand data. The visual representation of data assists us in choosing the right algorithm. One of the main goals of data visualization is to communicate clearly using graphs and charts. These graphs help us communicate information clearly and efficiently. So in this video, we will learn how to plot 3D scatter plots and visualize them in 3 dimensions. Let's open my directory which contains a file. So here is already written script, that is scatter3d.py. Now let's see the output first. Let's open the terminal and type python scatter 3d.py. You can see here we have 3-dimension axis that the particles are in 3D space. I'm rotating it. It looks so cool. So this is how we can visualize in 3D. Now let's see the code behind plotting 3D scatter plots. The first one, import numpy as np, which we know, and next matplotlib, which we also know. The new one is this one, that is from mpl toolkits.mplot3d import access3d. This toolkit adds simple 3D plotting capabilities to matplotlib by supplying an access object that can create a 2D projection of 3D scene. Now next, create the empty figure with projection, that is figure equals to plt.figure ax equal to figure dot add subplot 111 projection equals to 3D. Now define the number of values that we should generate, that is n equals to 250. Create a lambda function to generate values in a given range. The lambda, this is mathematical term, just Google for it to know the meaning of lambda. So f equals to lambda, minimum value, maximum value, and so on. Now generate xyz values using this function, that is x value, y values, z values, function 15, 41, n, x, y, z, so the values. Now plot these values on the plotter, that is ax scatter x values, y values, z values, x, y, z axis, that is labels. Now plot the graph here, so plt.show. Now let's move to the output now. Run the command as python scatter3d.py. You can see that it displays my 3D graph here. Once I'll try to move my graph data, you can see it rotates the values as you are trying to do it. This will help to extract the data efficiently for machine learning. So that's all on data visualization by plotting 3D scatter plots. Thank you for watching this video.